This is 207th Street.
Transfer is available to the 1 and 3 trains.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.
Of the gap between the platform and the train.
This is a Lincoln Center shuttle train. The next Court Square.
The electronic strip maps are not in service. Please listen for announcements and watch the displays.
This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is 2nd Avenue. This is 2nd Avenue.
Transfer is available to the 1 and 3 trains. On edge.
This is the last stop.
Doors
Get
opening. This is an airport-bound Y express train. The next stop is 16th Street. Step back. Doors closing. Do not attempt fare evasion. We will find you. This is 16th Street. Transfer is available to trains. Doors will open on the right. Trains. Doors will open on the right. Is opening. This is an airport-bound Y express train. The next stop is district-bound Y express train. The next and last stop is Financial District. Opening. This is fare cards can be purchased and refilled at most stations. Discounted rates are available for the elderly, veterans, and IB diploma program students. This is 31st Street. Transfer is available to the J train. Doors will open train. The next stop is Park Street. Step back. Doors closing. Opening. This is an airport-bound Y express train. The next stop is Cormorant Square. This is Cormorant Square. Transfer is available to the B train. Doors will open on the right. Doors opening. This is an airport-bound Y express train. The next and last stop is Rock Dove Fairland International Airport. Doors opening. This is a financial district. Soliciting, littering, and eating is prohibited on all data vehicles. This is Rock Dove Fairland International Airport. Transfer is available to the train. Doors will open on the right.
This is the last stop.
Doors
Get off.
opening. This is a financial express train. The next stop is Cormorant Square. Doors closing.
This is the last stop.
Doors
Get off.
opening. This is the Promontory bound F train. The next stop is Von Bergen Plaza.